welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm really excited to talk to you about this awesome computer soundbar by a company called Bluedee. This is an RGB computer soundbar. It has this really cool RGB LED light here on the bottom, as well as cool lights on the side. Has a control knob for various functions. Really a great speaker too, with really good sound. Let me talk about a few of the features, and then I'm going to jump over to some samples so you can kind of see this thing in action and hear it, as well as see the different functionality that it has. It does have this really long cord, and it is a cool nylon braided cord, so you have plenty of length on this. On the end of this, you've got a USB and an auxiliary port. Now the USB you're going to plug into your computer for power. That's what powers this thing. And then the auxiliary you plug into your computer, and that's how you get sound. So you plug that in and you're good to go. Besides that, it also supports Bluetooth, so you can connect to this through Bluetooth, either from your phone or tablet or anything that has Bluetooth. Bluetooth 5.0, so you can connect to this and get great sound that way. You have this little control knob on the side. This controls your volume level of the speaker specifically, independently of the volume control on your computer. And then also it's a button, so when you push it, different functions, and you'll see those demonstrated. Also on the front here you have an auxiliary port, so if you want to switch from the soundbar over to headphones, you can plug your headphones into there and just listen to your headphones. So let's jump over to those demo videos. I'm going to demo the sound so you can hear how it sounds, as well as see the lights. And also I'm going to show you how you can also hook this up to an Amazon Echo if you have an Echo Dot, and get really great sound as well as cool visual effects using this along with an Amazon Echo Dot. So let's jump over to all those videos. So these LEDs are somewhat controllable. The standard mode, or what it starts off in, is just moving from one color to the next. If you double tap this knob, then it goes into breathing mode, where it gets brighter at one color, goes soft in the next color. That's breathing mode. And then if you go to the next mode by double tapping, now this is music mode, so it's going to go to the beat of the music. And then if you double tap it again, that just turns it off. So you don't have to have the LED if you're gaming or whatever you're using for. If you're watching a movie or something, you may not want that pulsing, or you may not want the LED on. You can turn it off altogether. And then double tap it again. It's back to the beginning mode, where it just slowly goes to the colors. So you do have different LED modes you can go through. So you can also connect to this soundbar via Bluetooth. If you long press this knob, then it goes into pairing mode to connect. I've already paired. Once you've paired, you just long press this for about 3 seconds. Makes that sound, and then it connects. You'll know that it's connected because the light turns off until you start playing. Now I could push play here to start playing, but you can also control play and pause with the soundbar. Just single press this button, and it plays. Single press that button and it pauses. Single press and it pauses. And then if you want to go back to playing auxiliary, you just disconnect Bluetooth. You can do that on your device, or you can do that on the soundbar. If you long press the soundbar, it makes that sound, and now it's back to playing what's on the computer and not what's on the Bluetooth device. So it's cool that you can also connect to Bluetooth, and you can stay connected to auxiliary and then just connect to Bluetooth. That overrides the auxiliary connection. So another cool way I thought of that you can also use this gaming computer soundbar is in conjunction with an Alexa Echo device. You can see here I have just an old school Echo Dot, and if you have one of those, you can plug that into the Bluedee soundbar and get way better sound than you get out of that tiny little puck. And if you put the LEDs on the music response mode, then it works with Alexa talking. So, for example, Echo, what time is it?
The time is 11:24 a.m.
Echo, what's the weather outside?
Right now in Huntington Beach, it's 58 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has lots of clouds, with a high of 66 degrees and a low of 58 degrees.
So you can see the light flashes, in conjunction with the speech from Alexa, so it's kind of cool. And also you can control the volume and have a much, much louder speaker, really high quality loud speaker with your little tiny Echo device. I'm going to turn the volume up. It'll get louder. Turn that down. It has really good sound and really good volume for such a small soundbar. Let's do something that's a little bit different. Just so you can hear how well the sound is. Let's try something totally different. So you can see this little soundbar is powerful. It is awesome. It has great sound. Gets plenty loud enough. Just the functionality is great. Being able to use it not only with your computer or your laptop computer, but also being able to connect to it through Bluetooth. So you can leave it hooked up to your computer and just connect to Bluetooth from your phone. If you want to play music off your phone or listen to an audiobook from your phone or something, you can do that. And you saw how I connected it to my Amazon Echo Dot and was able to use it that way to turn that Echo Dot into a really awesome full-fledged Alexa speaker with great sound and also cool visuals. So really excellent computer soundbar from Bluedee, whether you're going to be using it just for basic purposes with your computer or you're a gamer and going to be using it like that. Anyway, you want to use it, this can handle it. Looks great, sounds great. Excellent product by Bluedee, and definitely a product I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. Of course, I will have a link to this product on Amazon down in the description below, so you can click that link, jump over to Amazon, read what other people said about it, and pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel to keep up with future videos, or just favorite this playlist if you want to keep up with future product reviews. If you know anyone who might be interested in this, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.